Thirikari ya Kenya nĩ ĩkĩrĩire mĩtaratara ya gwĩtigĩrĩra atĩ nĩ yakĩhũrana na ũnyihu wa ũndũ ũmwe na thĩna ũrĩa ũkĩgomeire bũrũri wa Kenya na makĩria igũrũ rĩa kĩgĩna o ũndũ ũmwe na wonjoria gatagatĩ ka mabũrũri maya. Kũringana na mĩtaratara ĩmwe ya ĩrĩa thirikari ya Kenya ĩkĩrĩire nĩ harĩ ũnyitanĩri na thirikari itiganĩte na makĩria harĩ thũgũrĩ-inĩ ya maguta, kũrĩa maugĩte atĩ mũtaratara ũyũ nĩ ũgũkorwo ũgĩteithia bũrũri wa Kenya kũhũrana na kũng'ethanĩra na unyihu wa dola.
And here we are commissioning a bottom loading system, a new technology that more conforms with the environmental requirements of loading our trucks. It's a fairly automated system. It's replacing the top loading where a member of staff would have to go on top of the truck to connect the pipes, and of course it is risky. You are loading a highly flammable product. There are chances of falling down, and the management of the fumes. So this is a great facility that has been developed and engineered and implemented using our own internal resources by the KPC engineers, and I want to congratulate them for doing that. Continue to invest in supporting the investment of loading and ensure that the truck's waiting time is reduced to a minimum. It loads at higher speeds. It takes about 20 minutes to load about 35 tons, 35 cubes or meter cubes, whereas on the other side the top loading takes about 40 minutes. So we are having the time of loading. Petroleum products are Platts priced. They've got international OPEC pricing. So on month basis we get the Platts price. Whether they go up or they go down, we celebrate when they go down. But more importantly, we manage the freight and premium. What we've done with the challenge of petroleum products, which sometimes it could be coming down, but the dollar unavailability has been a big challenge, exacerbated by the devaluation or the sliding of the Kenya shilling because of the tightening of the monetary policy by the US government post-COVID. With the inflation rate having gone up to 9%. And what we've done in that interim period as they cure their inflation, we've done a G2G for 6 months to cushion ourselves from a further sliding of the shilling over that period. But more importantly, make the dollars available for the rest of the macro economy, because the dollars that we consume in petroleum, which accounts for up to 35% of the total forex requirement for the country, are the same dollars which are competed by pharmaceutical, for the food security, for everybody else who is operating in this market. So by slowing down and operating on deferred LCs for 6 months, or aging LCs for 6 months before we pay them out, we basically are reducing the pressure on the shilling. We are ensuring that those dollars are available for the rest of the market, and I think we've done well in curtailing the fast depreciation of the shilling during this period when the inflation is being cured by the tightening of the foreign policy, what we call foreign forex policy, monetary policy by the US government.